We're at the Lakeview Garden Center here. It's fucking Vietnam, as you can see. Hold on. Let me show you. It's dangerous out here. See that? It's a frog swamp. That's where you go in Ohio to catch frogs. Everyone that goes there on local Fridays and Saturdays, you know, you go down the frog swamp and you get frogs. That's just how it is in Ohio. That's what we do. If anyone tells you that's not the truth, they're not from Ohio, are they? See what I'm dealing with here? This is Ohio. This is everyday terrain in Ohio. Every day, everywhere's like this. Everywhere. If you come to Ohio, this is what it'll be like everywhere you go. Like every so many feet. You know? That's just how it is. We love it. We're number one on earth. So look, this is just our woods right here. Ohio woods. They all have these domes over them. This is how nature is in Ohio. You gotta love it. You absolutely gotta love it. Just gonna find this nice little bench and sit on it. We just have these nature benches. Nature grows them in Ohio. In Ohio. Look at that. What the fuck is that? Ohio, man. What can I say?